As we head into our Friday, we're going to see some drier weather. Overall, we managed to stay pretty quiet locally for the most part. As you can see, there's been a lot of activity just down the road from us, right outside of DeKalb. A lot of those thunderstorms managed to go, for the most part, just east of I-39. So a lot of us didn't really see much for rainfall, and those storms will exit overnight. This low pressure, though, responsible for some of those storms, it will push a couple spotty showers into our backyard by tomorrow morning before it fully moves out of the region. So a little bit more in the way of rain to go, or at least a rain chance tomorrow morning, and then things dry out nicely as we head into our weekend. So they're not looking at any other storms for the rest of the night, and like I mentioned, some spotty light rain early tomorrow morning is about all we'll see for our Friday. You can see around sunrise there may be some light rainfall in our backyard. After that, we're drying out, we're clearing out, and temperatures are heating up fast. It feels like the upper 70s to mid 80s by the end of the morning. The forecast, though, not going to be as hot as the last couple days, so temperatures are going to relax just slightly for our Friday, and overall we're seeing plenty of dry conditions. So dry start to this month of August so far. That's coming on the heels of the 8th wettest July on record for Rockford, so we could use a little break from all of the heavy precipitation, considering that the Rockford Airport almost got to 8 inches for rainfall. Many spots in Rockford saw way more than that, thanks to all that flash flooding that took place in the middle of the month. So hopefully we don't see any heavy rainfall anytime soon. So it's nice to have a dry forecast as we head into our late Friday hours. You can see for the city market forecast, we're looking at the middle to low 80s with a bright sunny sky and just enough of a light north breeze to cool you off with some of that typical heat for the end of the work week. We then get into the weekend. The heat and humidity bump back up just a little bit. So we're back close to 90 on Saturday. Temperatures down slightly on Sunday. Both days looking pretty sunny. They feel like the low 90s with that muggy air still in play. After a hot weekend, though, things really change up next week. So we'll see plenty of dry weather, just a slight chance for rain on Sunday. Showers and storms possibly back in our backyard by the time we get to Monday as temperatures begin to cool off. And then look what happens in the middle of next week. Some 70s around the corner under partly cloudy weather. In your most accurate 10-day forecast, we're going to hold on to that cooler weather for a little bit. So much of next week could be spent in the 70s. So if you're sick of the humidity and heat, just wait a few days. It'll be changing up pretty quickly here. In the 4-degree guarantee, saw temperatures in the upper to mid 80s today. That pushed the cash total up over $200. So we had a pretty nice July, hoping for a great August in the 4-degree guarantee.